Welcome to Suite 818 at Pendry, West Hollywood. It's absolutely gorgeous. I could see straight away. This is the living room, and the color scheme is pale blue, darker blue, and taupe, as you can see from the carpeting. And everything goes together most splendidly. I've got a half bathroom as I come in and into the living room, and there's a socket. There are sockets convenient for the table. This is the automatic entertainment system. Come on through, and we'll go first to the bathroom. This is a big pull-across door with a mirror, and in here, into the bathroom, a single shower head, but and easy to turn on, and bliss, oh bliss, the toiletries are not attached to the wall. And unlike many American hotels, here are the Min toiletries, Min, New York. A full range of things that are needed for the vanity, so to speak. And the bathtub has bath salts. It's actually very international. And you can hang on to the faucet when getting out of the bath, and an absolutely gorgeously soft robe that I can buy. I think it's $150. Come back into the bedroom now. And you can see there's the safe and a steamer above. Quite good hanging. Have I got a USB? I've got a USB there. I'm sure there's a USB somewhere. It's got LG air conditioning, which I'm going to have to do something about because it's terribly cold. Can't think why they always want everything so cold. This is lovely. This is a chest that's got a leather top. And here we've got various papers, special events, about dining, all, and things like the pool and the fitness center, what's going on live, entertainment, and just a general note, what's going on. And here's Mike Firstman introducing the Pendry brand. Mike's the son of Alan Firstman, and Pendry, the slightly younger brand of the whole Montage family, is more his baby. I've got an espresso coffee machine, and swing around because I want to show you this fabulous view over West Hollywood. It's amazing, there really aren't high-rises here. They're a long way away. Those are them in the distance on the left-hand side, and a few speckled around straight ahead. And in fact, we're looking across the driveway at a gorgeous rooftop garden. This is lovely, and all wall windows. Pendry, Hollywood. I like West Hollywood. I like you already.